Kalakal. You just pose naturally. Say hi, Bunny. Hi, Bunny. What are you doing?
Relaxing.
Why did you came here in Philippines?
So I can meet you.
Oh, you're sweet naman.
Exactly.
I said, you're sweet naman. You're gwapo lang dira, Bangs. You're gwapo on that side, Bangs. Oh, ano gwapo man ka?
Thank you.
Ano gwapo ka dong? Gwapo ka dong, dali. This place is amazing. Look, I just show myself. Okay, we're in Cebu. I finally meet my future banana. Future banana. I love you.
I love you.
Most
Most.
day by day.
Every day.
More and more forever.
Forever and ever.
You're so old. Okay.